The Animal Papa is back. Figure I'll give you a little show with these little guys here. The babies, the teenagers. Feed them. Just a quick one. Right in front of the house. You get to see these beautiful ducks and these teenagers right here. Look at them. They're teenagers. They're getting big quick. And there's the rest of the crew right there. And the babies. I love when they go under like that, looking for fish and food. And then they pop up. On that note, we're out. And I am very excited to show you these babies. They're usually a little bigger by now at this point, but I don't know, these ones are still babies, so they must have just hatched out not that long ago. Right in front of the house. That's what I love about living in the mountains. That is a beautiful sight right there. Mother, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 babies. And those aren't teenagers, those are babies. They were just born recently. Very recently. What a beautiful sight. I know you guys love all this wildlife, so I'm going to try to bring as much footage as I possibly can. Now, if I'm not the Animal Papa, I don't know who is, because these animals love us. Oh my goodness. Right by us. Not scared at all. Alright? I'm not going to say take care again, because I've done that a million times, but we might be back, because these guys are just chilling. Guys and girls. Don't really want to leave us. They're hanging out right here, right in front of the house. What a beautiful sight. Every year about this time, well, actually earlier, you see the babies. The other ones I'm going to show you in the same video are teenagers. That's usually what they look like around now, July, close to August. But somehow these babies hatched out, I guess, late in the season. Because they're here. I think I'll put all these videos together, the last 3 I took in the last couple of minutes. I'll put them all together, I think, and make one nice video. Oh, there's Papa. On that note, we're going to be out. Take care till next time. You know I love yous.